welcome to Electron Smart Hack. This tutorial is very simple. It will allow you to download paid apps which need some payment before you can get access to the app. So this is how you are going to start. So now let's move on to your Play Store. Yes, just tap on the Play Store. Tap on the search engine. Now type Fire betting tips. Yes, so this is the app we are going to use on Play Store and also on the download app that we are going to use. So let's search for Fire betting tips. Fire betting tips. Yes. Some of you will be lucky you can see the app on top of your search result. Some of you too won't be lucky, so you have to scroll down until you find the app. So just look carefully. I'm going to show you how it looks like so that you know how the app will look like. Okay, so yes, so Fire betting tips. Here you go. So this is how it looks like. Yes, Fire betting tips. So you are going to install it and get everything started. Okay. So this app really gives correct and analytic results. Very fantastic tips. So that's why you are going to use the app called Fire betting tips. So just follow this tutorial very carefully. The investors will have a good smile so now let's get started. No time it will be done and complete so that we get started. So you can go through their ratings, reviews and feedbacks from other people who have installed the app already and just know how legit it is. So now we are done. We are going to open the app and know how it looks like. Yeah, so this is the welcome page and this is how it looks like on the front page. So it will ask you to sign in to your Google account and also accept the privacy policy. So yes, we are going to sign in to let's say Google account, which is like it's like a paid app which needs some sign in by using the already having apps or download apps which will allow you to get access to the already having. There's no need for you to sign in and get to know everybody. Get to now there's how it looks like. This is the free tips on the app. It gives you free tips, it also gives you correct scores, it also gives you paid tips, paid correct scores, paid half-time, full-time tips and other stuff, premium tips and stuff. So here are the already played tips that were given in the app, which shows how cool it is. So yes, so now here you go. Yeah, so you are going to how this is paid. So if you can see, there is a padlock on the page which shows that you need to pay with the coins. And with the coins too, you need to purchase with it. So when you click on the button for get a view forecast, it will ask for a fee of coins. And here's the pop-up. Sorry, you don't have show you how you have to buy 5,000 so there is how the simple way let's go through this app we get to go. Yes, so this pay tips need some amount of money to be paid with in the form of coins, and we can do that. So now we are going to use the already had app, which can be found on APX Installer, the main app we are talking about. This APX Installer is a similar rendition of, let's say, Play Store. Yes, so it's a similar rendition of, let's say, Play Store, which allows you to download paid mob apps for free without paying anything, without having to pay some amount of money with coins and stuff. So this is how APX Installer looks like. We have many apps on it, which are also paid apps, which can allow you to get their premium tips for free, which are already had. That's how it is. So this is how the APX Installer made by Electron Kingdom. So here we go. We are going to tap on the search engine and search for Fire businesses. Remember, the app is installed. We are going to do the same thing here on APX Installer. So here is the result. So this is the Fire betting tips premium mod APK. Fantastic. So yes, we have to uninstall this one, download it from the Play Store to allow access to the already one. So we have to install it as usual. We want to install it. So uninstall, finished. Now we can proceed. Now we can proceed to our APX installer. Yes. So we can proceed to our APX installer, which we can download the already had Fire. So as usual, as you search for it and we have the result as shown, we are going to install it, download it, and enjoy your free paid or premium tips and on your Android or yes, Android. So here are the more information on the already had Fire premium tips. Yeah. So it gives you premium info on top. So you are going to go and download the APK, which will allow you to install. So as simple as an Android user, just tap on download Sorry for the ad. Yeah. Okay. So download anyway. Okay. So it's downloading. No time to continue right from there. So we are going to install, or we are going to install our Fire from APX Installer. Simple, fantastic, sensational. Here is the free tips as shown in the previous app downloaded from the Play Store. The same thing, nothing changes. The same thing, nothing changes. So now you are going to move straight into the paid section of the app. The paid section of the app, which requires some amount of money to be paid. Now, good. So, since it is already hard, and there's no need for you to also add some payment details, you just have to click back on the view focus. Click and view focus. Tap on it. And do you want to see the forecast? Yes. Now here is your tips. As simple as that. No need to struggle. As simple as that. Click and view forecast. As simple as that. You understand? So this is the strength, or this is the how mighty the APX installer is with the already hacked app that is not paid for. That is not paid for. Now here's the premium section of the app too. We have the premium, we have the half time, full time, daily 250 odds, and other stuff. You can go through yourself with the already hacked app. Simple as that. No need to pay anything. No need to add payment details. No need to buy coins and other stuff. Just simple. Yes. So now this is the premium section of the app. Diamond VIP Chorus course. My friend, my fellow investor, you are really going to enjoy when using the APX installer to download your paid apps. Trust me, it's really good. Yes. Also, Betfire betting tips as perfect as it is. As perfect as it is. So this is the tips for the day, which has been posted by Betfire betting tips, and we also getting to know the paid tips for free using APX installer. Simple as that.